as well as Faden Santana, the man who took that cell phone video of that shooting that happened April 4th, 2015.
One of the family attorneys, L.Chris Stewart of Stewart, C. and Felton. We told y'all that this wasn't over. We told you it wasn't over. Today is a historic day for civil rights, particularly in officer-involved shootings. This is one of the largest sentences ever. Being found guilty of second-degree murder and obstruction of justice is historic. And I hope that the entire nation understands how big this is and what this means for everyone, no matter what color you are. This is all people crave, is accountability. That's all that people want when you're questioning why somebody may be kneeling, when you're seeing why someone may be marching in the street. They're not doing it just to cause a fuss. They're doing it because the sense of accountability has been lost in officer-involved shootings. And many people have tried to separate everyone by saying because you want accountability, you're against law enforcement. But we don't buy that. I don't buy that. We respect and love the police officers that are out there every day risking their lives. And they are. If you hate every police officer, then you're the problem. But there's also a problem that goes unseen, that many people acknowledge with a march or a kneel, that justice like this does not happen. That's all people want. No matter what color you are, no matter what sex you are, people want accountability. Because when you have none, you have hopelessness. You have apathy. You have anger. We have to get this type of justice because being a police officer is one of the most powerful jobs in the country and should be respected. But that doesn't mean you're above the law. That doesn't mean you can do as you please. As the Department of Justice said during this trial and today, no one is above the law. So if the death of Walter Scott, with all of the great reforms that have happened, can make the next officer think 1 second longer before pulling that trigger and changing an entire nation, then it was all worth it, and he would be happy with the results and the changes that happened. We don't all have to be separated or divided. All we have to do is listen and understand why someone is upset, why someone has to hold a picture like this, why they have to watch as normally the officer hugs their family and walks out of court smiling. Don't think that this was given to us just because there's a video. Videos do not get you justice anymore. Anger and bricks don't get you justice. Determination, prayer, faith, and being the forefront of a family like this and never giving up gets you justice. And holding the Department of Justice accountable, making sure they keep prosecuting. Making sure your district attorneys fight and don't give up. Or don't prosecute because the victim doesn't look like them. That's what gets you justice. It's been an honor for all this time to represent this family and proud of the history that was made today.